Hi, what do you truly desire in the coming new year 2025? And I'm here to give you that because that's what I do as a manifestation coach. Whatever my students want, I give them the technique and the clear path to achieve it. And it could be just anything. And if you want something which has to do with freedom, freedom to do whatever you want, freedom to travel, freedom to spend time with your family, freedom to stay fit, freedom to buy anything that you want, freedom that comes with financial independence, emotional independence, and personal empowerment, then I'm making this video for you. And those of you who do not know me, I'm Shilpa Arora Sharma, and I'm a manifestation coach for leaders. I help people manifest business success, building their empires, and of course, winning public events, making them successful, cracking sales, working with teams, and achieving that balance in personal and professional life, health, wealth, whatever you need, name it. Manifestation works for everything. And it can't really be disconnected because when we work on energy, when we fix one kind of thing, the other thing just comes with it. So everything just sorts out with manifestations. So that's why I said, it's not just financial independence, it's emotional independence because that comes with manifestation. It's personal empowerment because if you have the two, then you really have the personal empowerment. All right. And before we begin, subscribe because I make the content which is really applicable and people are applying it and getting the success that they probably never even dreamt of. That is the right word to say, looking at the testimonials I have. And gearing up for that. So let's begin and let's make this new year the best year of your life. I promise that because today the technique that I'm going to share with you, it's more powerful than quantum jump, the one that I made last week, because this is guaranteed by the universe that this works. And I have seen it working for me. I've seen it working for my students. So here I am to give it to you. Let's begin. All right. So first is the power of intention. You must know that. And if you are really watching the video till here, then I must congratulate you. You have developed some kind of intention to really make 2025 the best year of your life. And without the intention, manifestation has no use. It won't work. So, like spirituality, like you really want to just attain peace and be peaceful. That is something which is purity without intention, right? And this is not that. If you have desires, then come to me. If you want success, then come to me. If you just want to attain peace, just go to Himalayas, right? And that is good. But if you want to be peaceful here, doing and achieving everything, then come to me. So this is the video for you if you want everything. So you must have the intention to be successful. You must have the intention to get the kind of freedom that I just talked about so that you can really achieve it and manifest it. So literally, I was looking at one of the scriptures. Yog Vashisht is one of my favorite. And the story goes like this, that there was a king who was an ardent worshipper of goddess Kali. And whatever he wished for, she granted. And फिर वो एक बार लड़ाई पर गया. Once he went for a war and he won the war, but he got killed. And he didn't come back, of course, and the wife was aghast. She just worshipped Lord Kali, and Lord Kali came face to face with her. Those days, gods used to really be face to face to humans. So she asked Goddess Kali, why didn't you save my husband? He's such a worshipper to you, ardent, that he's never missed worshipping you even a single minute of his life. Why didn't you save him? You know what Goddess Kali replied? She said, he had no intention to be saved. If he had any intention, I would have 100% saved him. I had given him everything he ever wanted. So this is the meaning and power of intention. If you don't have intention to get anything, why would you get it? Manifestations would work only if you have intention. So this is the prime most important point, that you must have an intention that you are going to make it the best year of your life. So that's about intention. So by now, if you are listening to me till here, then you must have made an intention that you're going to do something about your life, and you would totally deeply, take a moment, pause my video maybe, take a moment to really think, what do you truly desire in this new year, right? What kind of freedom do you want to have? Financial freedom is one thing, right? When you have a flow of money, then you can do whatever you want. Then also, what about emotional independence? Are you that strong? And all that empowerment. So that is going to come clearly with you. So now let's go to part two, where we'll frame specific intentions for you, your goals. So I would urge, just go with three goals, top three goals for this year, right? So I'll start with a health goal, and then a wealth goal, and then a relationship goal. That pretty much gives you everything, all kind of freedom that you ever need. Let me give you an example of a health goal, and that you want to lose weight or you want to get fit. That could be a goal, but it has to be specific, right? Let me just say, someone has to lose 10 kg weight, and someone also wants to be fit, that they are jumping rope. So let's say, make an affirmation: I am losing 10 kg weight and jumping 100 ropes by June 2025. Okay, and this also becomes an affirmation. I'm repeating it again: I'm losing 10 kg weight and jumping 100 ropes by June 2025. This is my affirmation number one. Now, let's make a financial affirmation, or a goal with clarity, which is, I am consistently earning 20 lakh per month by the end of July 2025. Okay, I am consistently earning 20 lakh per month by the end of July 2025. This is my affirmation number two, and a clear goal. Now, let's go to third one, which is about your emotional independence. I'm secure, loved, and respected in all my relationships. So this is now your affirmation number three, and a goal number three. I am secure, loved, and respected in all my relationships. And this is completely in present tense, because this is just in now. I am. All are I am, but this one is like really happening now. All of them are really happening now. So that's how the affirmations are formed. You have to just give that specific date so that you're there, and you have to tune into it as it is happening now. Okay, now let's go to the important point, which is the focus exercise. Now, where to focus on? Now, I would say here, if you are listening, the audience may just bifurcate, because I'm going to give you here two Sri Yantra to focus on. This is the one that I was talking about. So this has 43 triangles, and this downward facing triangle is a goddess, and upward facing is a god. So there are 43. All right, and so now when you focus, you have to focus in the center at the dot. And these are the deities which are really present in the universe, and you are also a universe. So when you focus with your affirmation, whoever can grant you this, is really that power is also in you. So you'll start feeling that power inside you to give you these wishes. So let's say you're losing 10 kg weight and jumping 100 ropes, right? Then you're really doing that affirmation and focusing on the center. Keep on doing that affirmation, and till the time you feel it resonating in your heart is really going to feel an excitement. It's really going to be very exciting when you're going to focus on this, and then it means the focus is done. All right, so we'll go on the next one. Now we'll do the second affirmation, which is, I'm consistently earning 20 lakh per month. All right, now affirmation is just still here, and goal was by June end. So affirmation is, I'm consistently earning 20 lakh per month, and my focus is here, right? And again, going to the resonance and the excitement that builds. Then the third one, I'm secure, loved, and respected in all my relationships. And by the way, this has to be, you can buy this from Amazon. The link is in the description, or you could just take a screenshot of this and just make it a wallpaper. But I would say just buy it. And this is Sri Yantra. This is just anyways available. And a lot of us are Hindus, so must be there in your temple. Just figure it out. So that's how you're going to have the connection and do the affirmation. Make it east facing. This faces east, right? So like to be charged with the sun rays, and do it. And the people who do it, like I know it, I tell them don't do it at night because this is super exciting and this will keep you charged. All right. Now, what about the daily practice? How do we do the daily practice with this? Because this essentially has to be the part of your daily practice. That's how the success will come to you, rushing from all directions. So, what you have to do is that you have to get up in the morning. Now, literally, this part is explained that how this has to be done. You have to have daily practice, like morning when you get up, right, and you go for your workout, and afterwards you give some time to your manifestations. So number one is gratitude. I'm grateful for everything is a common easiest gratitude you could do, or go in details, because if you're manifesting something specific, then it's very, very important that you do gratitude for that thing in detail. And afterwards, do your formation standing in front of Sri Yantra. You could go in Uttra Bodhi Mudra also, like this, and do your affirmation. So you could just stand in front of Sri Mantra and do your affirmation like in the manner I just explained, and get that excitement. And when you get that excitement, you will be surprised. You will be pushed to take action. That's how Sri Yantra works. You will be pushed to take action. You will be inspired to take action. You will be motivated to take action. You will just be excited to take those actions. Like I'm here making this video, I'm really feeling that excitement because it comes with Sri Yantra focus. And one of my affirmation is that my students get results, right? So when I go for my sessions, I'm really that excited and really very eager to solve the problems so that they get results. All right, so this is what you need to do every day. Now, let me talk about the common mistakes. Don't focus at night, because night is the time that your body must rest and you must sleep. So don't focus on Sri Yantra at night. Don't do that, please. Just avoid it. Just do gratitude and sleep. You could do journaling if you want to, because or visualization while you're sleeping, but don't focus on Sri Yantra at night. At bedtime, just be grateful and sleep. Then doubting your ability to manifest will just go away if you're focusing on this. And yeah, it balances your 7 chakras. By the way, when I talk about Sri Yantra, I don't really have to talk about chakra energy balancing, because that automatically happens. All the doubts which are there in your 7 chakras, they automatically cleared out. So you are just a chat and you don't have to put too much mind to that, because it is automatically, the geometry is automatically removing all the blocks. So if you're focusing on Sri Yantra correctly, it will just happen. You will just stay excited throughout the day and you will not have any doubts in your abilities. So what are you waiting for? Just grab your copies of Sri Yantra or take a screenshot and just be all set to manifest a great year ahead, and then just totally let it be the year which transforms you and gives you a new life. And this new year should be your time to shine. Start first by setting your intention, and if you have watched that video till here, then congratulations, you have gotten it inside you, and you do have a connection with Sri Yantra. I'm telling you with my full conviction, because otherwise you would have left it somewhere midway. But till you have watched it here, because you have watched it till here, I can vouch that you have a connection with Sri Yantra. So you take it, grab a copy, you can DM me, you can find the link of Amazon in the description and get your copy of Sri Yantra. Or if you have it, just use it. If you have it on your desktop, you can, just save this also. Let me just show it again. All right, it's you could Google it also, just get any copy and start it right away. And yeah, of course, I'm giving you another journal which you can keep track of your affirmations and your gratitude. You could just download it, find the link, and download the journal from me. And if you're ready to manifest with me, just comment below, I'm ready, and we'll get in touch with you. We'll get you in and get you on that road of manifestations. All right, let's make this magic happen in 2025. See you again. Bye bye.